Propagation of sound. For sound to be generated and heard, it must have three things. They are a source, a medium through which to pass, and a receiver. Let us assume the source is the speaker's voice, the medium through which it is transmitted is air, and the receiver is the listener's ear. When a sound is generated by the speaker's speech, or when an object vibrates, it sets the particle of the medium around it vibrating. The particles do not travel all the way from the vibrating object to the ear. A particle of the medium in contact with the vibrating object is first displaced from its equilibrium position. It then exerts a force on the adjacent particle, which gets displaced from its position of rest. After displacing the adjacent particle, the first particle comes back to its original position. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches your ear. During propagation of sound in a medium, the particles of the medium do not move forward themselves, but the disturbance is carried forward. So, sound waves are characterized by the motion of particles in the medium and are called mechanical waves.